Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing the S90 drone and the drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, having a high-quality camera is essential. The S90 drone comes equipped with a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. This allows you to enjoy real-time live video from a bird's-eye perspective on the app. You can even edit and share your footage instantly on social media. On the other hand, the drone also features a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted to capture interesting photos and videos. It's great for inspecting hard-to-reach areas or capturing cool shots of your friends skating. Next, let's talk about flight performance. The S90 drone offers multiple control options, including remote control, app control, voice control, and even gravity control. With over 10 professional stunts and features like 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, circle flight, and trajectory flight, it guarantees an immersive flying experience. Similarly, the drone can be controlled using both a remote control and a smartphone app. It also offers features like altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, and voice control, making it beginner-friendly. Now, let's talk about battery life. The S90 drone comes with two modular batteries, providing up to 26 minutes of flight time. This is great for longer sessions and outdoor adventures. On the other hand, the drone also includes two rechargeable batteries, offering approximately 12 minutes of flight time per battery. Swapping and charging the batteries in rotation can extend the fun time. Portability is an important factor to consider, especially if you plan to take your drone on the go. The S90 drone features a foldable fuselage design, making it compact and easily portable. You can simply put it in your backpack and take it with you on outdoor adventures. Similarly, the drone is also portable, making it convenient to carry around. Finally, let's talk about the price. The S90 drone is priced at $99, while the drone is priced at $62. Overall, the S90 drone has received positive reviews for its price, quality, battery life, ease of setup, remote control responsiveness, camera quality, and portability. Reviewers highly recommend it for those looking for an easy-to-use and enjoyable drone. On the other hand, the drone is praised for its affordability, beginner-friendly features, and durability. It is considered a great option for learning and comes with multiple batteries to compensate for its shorter flight time. That concludes our comparison of the S90 drone and the drone. Both drones have their unique features and advantages. If you prioritize real-time live video and extended flight time, the S90 drone might be the better choice for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option and a drone that's easier to operate, the drone could be the perfect fit. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences when making a decision. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.